Hey guys, it's Robsy back with Paperless Humans. In today's video, we'll be going through everything you need to know about taking screenshots on the iPad. By far, the easiest way to take a screenshot on any iPad is to swipe from the left corner of the screen using your Apple Pencil. If this is not working on your iPad, you have to turn on this gesture by going to iPad settings, go to Apple Pencil, and then under left corner swipe, choose Screenshot. Once you have turned this on, you will be able to start taking screenshots using this gesture. Or you can choose to swipe on either side of your screen. You also have the option to take a screenshot with your finger by going to the multitasking and gestures part of your iPad settings. Then you have to turn on swipe finger from corner. And choose screenshot. Then of course, the corner you want to take your screenshot, whether it's left or right. For other iPads, this setting is located in a different place. So you have to go to Settings, General, Gestures, and allow finger to swipe from corner. Then you have to choose the side you want to swipe from. Note that turning on the gesture for your finger disables the multitasking ability to bring up all your open app windows with the app switcher. This is something we'll cover when we do multitasking on the iPad. Now, when you take a screenshot with this corner gesture, the iPad automatically opens your screenshot in a window with several options. Under Done, you can save the screenshot to Photos, Files, or create a quick note for Apple Notes that contains the screenshot. You can also copy and delete to paste into another app. Or you can delete the screenshot. You also have the option to adjust the opacity of the screenshot. You can use live text to interact with the text in your screenshot. But some iPads don't have this feature. And we will cover live text in a different video. You can delete the shot using the bin icon. You can choose to share the screenshot, which you can rename under Options before sharing it. Some iPads also don't have this feature, so it depends on the iPad you're using. Another way you can take screenshots on your iPad is using the buttons on your device. So when your iPad doesn't have a home button, you can take a screenshot by simultaneously pressing the power button and any one volume button. So you can either press the volume up button or the volume down button. It doesn't matter. You just have to use one volume button as well as the power button. If your iPad has a home button, then you press the home button and the power button at the same time, simultaneously. The screenshot that you take with this method appears at the bottom left corner of your iPad. And you can interact with it in several ways. You can tap on it to bring up the marker features, which we covered in the previous video. Make sure to check that out. You can long press it to share the screenshot if you don't want to mark it up. You can swipe left to save it to your photos. Another way to save it to your photos library is to just ignore the screenshot and it will just disappear after a while, which means it's been saved to your photos library. And that is all on taking screenshots on iPad. If you want to learn about marking up these screenshots, we have covered that in a different video that we will link to this one. We hope you found this video useful. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.